Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to create QR codes for your audio files stored in Google Drive, and this is the updated full 2025 guide. Whether you want to share music, podcasts, voice recordings, or any kind of audio with just a simple scan, this tutorial will walk you through the entire process step by step. So, stick around till the end, because I'll also share a smart tip to make your QR code even more accessible and professional. First things first, make sure your audio file is uploaded to Google Drive. You can do this by opening your Google Drive account, clicking on New, and then selecting File Upload. Locate your audio file, and it could be an MP3, WAV, or any common format, and let it upload completely. Once uploaded, right-click on your audio file and select Get Link. This step is crucial because the link you get will determine how easily others can access your file. Change the sharing settings from restricted to anyone with the link so that your QR code works for everyone without requiring them to request access. Now that you have the shareable link copied, it's time to create your QR code. Open a QR code generator. There are many free ones online. Just search for free QR code generator. On the generator page, select the URL option since we'll be pasting the Google Drive link. Paste the link you copied, and within seconds, your unique QR code will be generated. Most generators allow you to customize your QR code. In 2025, many platforms offer free customization features like changing colors, adding your logo, or choosing different shapes. Customize it if you want to make it stand out. Once done, download the QR code image. Now you can share it on social media, print it on flyers, add it to presentations, or even embed it in your website. When anyone scans it with their phone camera or a QR code scanner, they'll be taken directly to your Google Drive audio file. And that's it. You've just learned how to create a working, shareable QR code for your audio files in Google Drive. It's simple, fast, and works perfectly in 2025. If you found this guide helpful, hit that like button, subscribe for more smart digital tutorials, and let me know in the comments how you're planning to use your QR codes. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.